Okay guys, so my room is a mess. However, I know that I'm not quite ready for the interior decorating of my fincas in Spain, but I just could not resist. These were on sale for like 30 bucks a piece. And then these white linen sheets were on sale as well for $20 and $25. So I just had to get these for my fincas. You have to live your dream and start manifesting and making your vision board. And part of doing that is getting what you can while you can. So this is a start. Even down to the coasters.
You see the sinks, right?
Yes. Oh my gosh. This is just
Nice, right?
so nice. So nice. Wow. Yeah. So these are the wall sconces and the bedside tables. Wow, look at this. This Amber. That's the smaller version of that big one.
Yeah, that's what I just showed her before she look what Amber just found.
What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a little bit thinner.
Look at tagines. I'm about to be all the way to my tagines.
Look at this.
You see that?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Wow, look at this one. That's nice. That's lovely. In the center table. You see these right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the little end tables though.
Yeah. And they have
I like that one too. This one here.
they have wardrobes like this color right here. They have wardrobes this pattern. That's what I was telling Michelle.
You said they got wardrobes?
Yeah, like the you see the reds and
Oh, this is the table that goes with it.
yeah.
Yeah. This is nice.
Yeah, we definitely have to get her card.
These are the proofs. They are so soft.
How much is this?
Gosh, she's just about 60.
300.
These proofs are 60.
Yeah, but the ones at the Albert Sam were like what, 25, 20?
Yeah.